Hey guys, the POV photo guy here, and this is a last minute gift guide for photo and videographers. Let's check it out. If you are a photo and videographer and there will be something you want to get for Christmas, share this video with your friend or lover or parents. Maybe they can buy you one of the things. For full disclosure, this is not a sponsored video, but you can find the links below and it might be contains affiliate links. I think the first one is very obvious, but it's never enough. SD cards. I use the SanDisk Extreme Pro 128GB SD card. It's never leave me alone. I never have any problem with it. So this is the card I always go with. My videography business is grown this year. I shooted a lot of weddings and I'm constantly run out from hard disk. So I bought 3 5TB of hard drives. I don't know where is my third one, but I have to bought 15TB of hard drives. So this year I used 15TB of hard drives because I'm shooting on a Blackmagic Pocket and the wedding is around 1TB footage. That's a lot of space, so I used around 15TB. And I think in the next year I use more, and also recommend the SSDs. So my workflow is I'm shooting on a Samsung T5, what is compatible with my tilt rig. So my footage is around 1TB, and after then I transfer it for my 2TB of SSDs. I'm use also Samsung and SanDisk, and I'm editing the footage there, and after when I'm going to archive the footages I put them to the hard drives. So SSDs and HDDs are always good for a gift or good for buy. The biggest surprise of the year for me that I'm listed on Moment website. If you don't know what Moment is, they are an incredible team of creative peoples. They selling courses, they selling their own products for iPhones and cameras, and they recently released their own clothing line. So they are very creative people and they have a few selected artists who sell lots and presets, and I'm happy to announce now I'm officially on the Moment site and I'm selling my presets there. So if you know me, I really love the vintage look vibe. I'm shooting a lot of POV videos and the presets I'm using to edit my photos you can find on the Moment website. And if you check my profile on the Moment site, you can find the selected products I'm using. And one of them is the Cinebloom filter by Moment. I use it over 1 year and I'm really happy with it. I'm mostly using for wedding videos. So what the Cinebloom filter does, it's similar as the Promise filter. I saw one of Joe Greer video last year and I like his mushy, smooth vintage vibe video. So I'm searched on the Moment site and they have the Cinebloom. So this is kind of also the vintage filmic vibe. Maybe I show you how it works. So as you see, it's kind of smooth out the environment and the lights, and if you took off you can see it's more sharpened. The next one is a very small RGB light by Digital Photo. You can use it for a wedding video, you can easily place top of your camera, or you can use it as a fill light for your video. You can set up your Kelvin, a full RGB color palette, and there are a few programs you can find like the firework, and you can dim the percentage, how fast or how hard you want the light. And I forgot to mention, the back is magnetic, so you can easily magnet to everywhere. As my videography business grew this year, I realized I need more digital assets. I'm constantly using Artlist for music and ArtGrid for stock video, and now I realized Motion Array belongs to the ArtGrid team. I don't know if I know any site as big as the Motion Array who has stock music, stock videos, templates, plugins, and a lot of more. Especially two things I'm very interested in is the video collaboration and the website builder. In the past half year, my video editing services grew a lot. I got a lot of outsource inquiries, and with Motion Array I upload the edited videos to the clients and the client can see it and they take notes what they want to change it or what they like it. And Motion Array also has a website builder, and now I want to change my website because I want to separate my own personal website and I want to build a wedding website only for my wedding portfolio. They have built-in website templates, so it's very easy to make a website with Motionary. You know, I'm a stylish guy. I love to wear nice clothes and also my equipment, my Olympus camera, so I never use the boring black backpack and any camera equipment. Last year I got the douchebag, what is called now DB Journey backpack, and this year I worked a lot as a one-man band in the field and I need a bigger carry-on for my softbox, my lamp, my stand and everything else. And DB Journey has, I think, the 90-liter carry-on bag, what looks like a golf bag or something like this. It has a very smooth wheels, so this product is much more appetizing for my eyes than a normal photography carry-on bag. So if you also like stylish things and you want a nice looking bag but is technically used for traveling, but you can use it for your photo and video equipment. The back is hard, you can see there is, I don't know how to say, strings, but can help you hold the heavy things. So as far as I'm using in the past 1 year, I'm really happy with this product. I'm not a big gimbal guy, but if I have to use a gimbal, I'm using the Feiyutech AK2000C. I really like this wooden accent here. This is also kind of me. This is not a boring gimbal, this is a stylish gimbal. I know this is only a tool, but as I said, I love stylish product and for me this is count. This gimbal is good for MILC cameras. It can hold around a 2-3 kilogram camera, what is not a big, so you cannot hold a big Sony camera or big Canon, but that's fine because I'm not constantly using a gimbal. It's a very rare occasion when I'm using it, for example interior shot, and it's perfect for me. You can take this button off. It's not a big gimbal, so it's very easy to take around. And the last two items what I cannot recommend enough, one is the new M1 MacBook. It's not the Max and not the Pro, I'm using the base Air from the M1 line and I'm super happy with it. If you haven't seen my review about this MacBook, you can find the link here. I saw a lot of posts and comments and questions in Facebook groups. Everybody wants to jump on the M1 line, but they are afraid about it's only 8GB or 16GB, but it's completely different than the Intel processor one. This is the M1 chip, and trust me, I'm a professional photo and videographer. I'm using all day, all night. I'm editing raw photos, I'm editing raw footages, I'm working with Sony, Blackmagic and Red files, and it's no problem. This is the 13-inch model. I have an external monitor, so I see everything in big screen, and I'm extremely happy with the performance of this machine. And the last one is the Loupedeck. I highly recommend it. It is doubled my speed, or I can say half of my editing time, because how it works. It's an editing tool, you can use it for Lightroom, Photoshop, also for Premiere or Final Cut, so both photo and video editing, but much more. You can use it for browsing Safari or calculating your numbers. You can fully customize the keys and the knobs, and it is faster your editing process. Trust me, I cannot live without the Loupedeck CT. It's blowing my mind how easily and fast I can edit with. That was my last minute gift guide for photo and videographers and creative people. If you like this video, please subscribe because it makes a difference for me as a small creator, and leave a comment below what you want for Christmas or what is the best gift you want, and see you next time. Happy Christmas guys, bye.